Hello. So today I am going to attempt to sew a button-down t-shirt for my partner for his birthday. For a little bit of context, I have never sewn clothes before. I have made a few different like quilt bags and done some very basic alterations, but I've never made clothes. And I don't have a pattern, so I am using one of his button-down shirts, just one that I took out of his closet, as an attempt or like a template, I guess. And I have this tablecloth that I bought at the thrift store. I want it to be like a crochet button-down shirt. So, gonna see what we can do and hope for the best. She's always exactly where she shouldn't be. So I opened up the tablecloth and it has this really pretty design in the center, and I think I'm going to try to use this for the back panel of the shirt. So I'm literally just laying the shirt down on top of the fabric, and I'm going to use this guy to cut the panel out that I need. And I'll give a little bit of space for the seam allowance. Alright, that's the first piece cut. I'm going to do the same for all the other pieces. Okay, so this is what all of the pieces look like cut out. These two are for the collar, this is the back panel, these are the side panels, and that is the sleeves. So there's two of these and two of these, and I tried to use the edge of the tablecloth for anywhere that like would be the edge of the fabric, I guess. So like the sleeves are both, this will be this way, so that the finished edge is like gonna be the edge of the sleeve. And then same thing over here, like this will be where the buttons are on this end, and then that's like the bottom of the shirt. So we don't have that for the back panel, but I'll probably just do like a zigzag stitch or something. Not sure yet. But yeah, I'm gonna start combining all of these pieces and just try to see if I can make this happen. Okay, so because of that, I actually just decided to cut the back panel a bit shorter, and I added on a finished edge of the tablecloth to the back panel, so now it has a finished edge and I don't have to worry about that. I already think this looks really fucking cool, so I'm very excited. Alright, here's the progress so far with the 3 panels sewn together. So it's now almost midnight, and I realized I forgot to cut one panel and I didn't sew it in, and I did sew the collar in, so I have to undo that, and I'm not going to finish.